Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Today another chit chatting video as a video request following a request I found on Facebook in regards how to keep yourself organized, how to organize the craft room, some tricks and tips, but mostly how to declutter and get all your craft supplies in order to get the mojo back and carry on crafting. Keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. And at the end of the video there is a free labels that you guys can download, as well with the entire guide that I put together on a PDF, so you guys can print it as an extra free printables that you get with the video today. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. We're not doing any tutorial today, but I saw a request from a lovely lady that she started craft making and I put her comments on the screen, and she's got stuff everywhere. Well, we all did, or we all do, don't we? We're all very guilty on being very messy. So I thought I'd do a video when I share my experience and I give you some top tips on how to stay organized and also how to declutter as well, because I tend to declutter my craft room a few times a year because, again, I tend to accumulate things. So, and also because it's a journey, sometimes we like certain things and then maybe 6 months later we don't like them anymore, or we try different things. So yeah, I'm gonna create this little guide that you guys can download absolutely for free on my my Facebook group. I will put the links in the info box, and also there are at the end of the video there is a super cute it's just literally one page of some little labels that you guys can download and print for free, because I think sometime, don't know about you guys, but we need to have some pretty things. Even when we do hard jobs, we need to have pretty things to keep ourselves motivated. So I created these 3 little cute labels, and I thought, you know what, let's create something really pretty that keep us entertained and keep us motivated. So yeah, so let's start. I take over my computer and I'll show you on my screen. Yeah, I pulled together a little list of little prompts that hopefully will help you to stay organized, and I'm also going to show you in just a minute what I do to stay organized and put all my papers and stamps together. So I put craft rooms can easily become cluttered with supplies and materials, making it challenging to stay organized and creative. Here are 15 tips to help you declutter and organize your craft room effectively. So assess your space. Start by evaluating your craft room and identify problems, areas that need decluttering. One thing, when I started crafting a few years ago, we were in our previous flat before we bought this house, and I didn't really have a desk, so I was using my the kitchen desk. So I then realized sooner that I needed a desk and I needed a little space, because my brain and my creativity was all over the place. So you need to start finding a space that you can use to put all your things in there, and also identify what the problems are. So what is the space? Is that a desk? Is that a drawer? Is it the floor? What's the cluttering? Where is the problem? Number 2, set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your craft room. Having a clear vision will guide your decluttering process. Now, Pinterest is your BFF. I love going on Pinterest and search craft room ideas, organization and things like this, and see how many lovely crafters got fabulous craft rooms. Now, I don't really want to show you mine because my craft room is full of Jamie clothes. We got wardrobes, we got storage units, so it's not the best. But you need to establish what is your vision for your craft room. Once you decide what you want from it and start collecting pictures, it will help you declutter in the process. Okay. Sort and categorize. Group similar items together. For example, gather all your paper supplies, paints, sewing materials, and so on. That's what I do myself as well. And I'll show you in just a minute. I put all my paper and my digital papers that I print into 2 big boxes. It's like a concertina box. I also put all my stamps, and I've done an inventory. So I got a list of what I have. So I know exactly where to find things and how they're stored. Okay, so this is how I store my papers. I got this from Powland, which is in a shop here in UK where everything is like where everything's supposed to be £1. But yeah, no, I think it was £1.50. It's a concertina, so it's extendable one. So all my paper packs are in little leaves, like little plastic wallets, and they're all put by category. I not labeled them because, of course, I designed them, so I know what they are. But if you guys, of course, want to print my papers instead of printing them as you want them or as you need them, you can print them anyway and use them as and when. You can literally put a label there, so it's all nice and organized. But because again, I know what each of these papers are, I put it like this. And the same, let me close it. Oh, it's hard because I've got one hand. I'll put it on the floor now so you guys can see it better. And same principle I do with my cardstock. So I got all my cardstock organized by colors. It's not in a rainbow shape, but I'm not as mad as that. But yeah, no, I keep it in my color. I know many of you might use this system and keep them in rainbow order, but no, I'm not too fussy. But yes, all my cardstock is in here, and I got some white paper, and then on here on the back I got all my metallic. So I got my metallic paper, I got black, I got gold, I got silver, and in this way I found it's so easy. If I found it for a specific color, for example, if I'm looking for a green paper, I can come here. And what I do, guys, as well, keep your scraps in there as a little tip, because I used to have a separate box for scraps, and then I forgot to go there and check. So I put all my scraps in here, so it's all together. Number 4, declutter by category. Go through each category and ruthlessly declutter. Ask yourself if you really need each item and if it brings you joy or serves as a purpose. Now, I'm going to do a craft de-stash soon, because I've got so many things I don't use anymore. For this reason, you need to say and think, does this object bring me joy? Am I going to use it? If the answer is no, the next point, number 5, is keep, donate, or toss. Create 3 big piles. Keep, donate, and toss. Be honest about what you can be apart from, okay? And what you can get rid of it. And also remember to recycle. I created, and I shared this at the end, a little page with 3 labels. I always think that if things are prettier, if a job is hard to do, like this, for example, but they always need to have something pretty to help us keep them motivated. So I created 3 little labels: sell, donate, and toss, that you guys can print and trim and put on your pile, just to, to stay a bit pretty and to keep yourself motivated. These are my piles that are going to be sold. I decided to sell all this paper because it's all multiples paper. There are old papers, all my digital papers. Basically, I'm not going to use them, so I'm going to do a craft de-stash, and also these some of my stamping up stamps. Sorry, then I'm not using. So I decided, am I going to use it? No, I'm not. So I'm gonna do a little boxes, because I got some boxes I want to get rid of. So I'm gonna do like little bundles. I'm not decided the price or anything just like that yet, but put it all together here. They're ready to go. They're on my floor, all nice and organized. They're ready to be shipped. But of course, I will record the videos first soon. Use clear containers. Store craft supplies in clear containers and bring bins to easily see what's inside. Now, I've done this with my 12 by 12 papers, and I'll show you in just a second. I bought this from Amazon. I put all my 12 by 12 in this huge box, That helps me to put all my papers and I know where to find them. Number 7, label everything. Label containers, drawers and shelves to quickly locate items. If you have drawers, I would suggest to print everything and label everything so it's easy for you to find them. Utilize vertical spaces. Install shelves, pegboard or wall mounted organizers to make use of vertical space and keep your work surface clear. This is something I've done myself. I bought 2 DVDs racks and I put all my stamps, and I'll show you in just a second so you can be able to see them, because when you use vertical space, of course you save space. So having these taller units help me to declutter and have all the stamps. Also, it's a very efficient way because I can see the stamps and I can see the names on it as well. These are my DVD racks. So this is how I store them. So there are some gaps because some of them are now will be going in the stash, but I labeled them, each one of them, so it's easy for me to see them. They're not in any sort of specific order. The only order I've done, I put my, oh sorry, to go slow. I put my Christmas at the bottom, and then I put the rest in there. They're not all Stampin' Up. Some of them are grouped together, some of them I just I label myself. They're just like literally DVD cases. If you're interested in how to do this sort of system, let me know in the comment and I'll do a separate video if you guys are interested. Yes. Number 12, keep a workspace clear. Ensure your primary workspace is clutter free and reserved for your current projects. And this is where your desks come from. Always keep it tight. And last is go digital. If possible, digitize patterns, templates, and reference material to reduce physical clutter. That is number 1 reason why I now only use my digital papers, because I used to buy tons and tons of paper packs. But I don't know about you guys, but when you buy a paper pack, for example, if there is like, I don't know, 20 papers, I'll probably use half of them, because a lot of, especially when people design papers for craft, some of them are literally gap fillers, so they design papers just to fill the paper pad, and sometimes they're like extremely geometrical or extremely plain or patterns that is not really your style. So going digital, use digital paper is the best way to reduce clutter. Okay, so I will save these on a PDF on my Facebook group, so you guys can come have a look and download it. And also you got a little page with the labels. Remember to print them and be absolutely ruthless with your decluttering system. Today, shout out goes to the lovely Sharon. Sharon, I will put Sharon's comment on the screen. Sharon kindly said that she enjoys watching my videos. Well, thank you so much, Sharon. Your comment always much appreciated. So let's finish the video with a really nice affirmation quote. So this is the 365 days of calm quotes, affirmation and activities, and today is number 9, and it says, we know nothing of tomorrow, our business is to be good and happy today. Sydney Smith. Yes, let's live for today and make sure that today everything that we do is good. Okay guys, if you like this video, please consider to give a really big thumbs up. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you get notification every time I upload a video. It's completely free. Guys, I've done a video not long ago, another chit-chatting videos, quite inspirational. I give you some tips on where to find free printables and free resources for your crafties. I will put the video link in here, and then if you're not already, just click on my logo here. That will subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.